Hey guys, it's Alexis from Ace, and today, well, I have some Halloween decorations up. Just a few. That's what I have up. You can only really see like right here. You can see like the bottom of my skeleton. But today I'm making like a Great. Sorry, something fell. So I'll be making a Halloween type, some type of slime. I don't exactly know. I'm just like making ingredients and I'm missing something. Ugh. Okay, I'm back. So what was I saying? I have no clue. So I have a bunch of random ingredients for slime making. I'm just gonna make a slime and the camera's not even. Okay, there we go. So I don't know what to call the slime. It's just gonna be a Halloween thing. And I'm making it orange colored because Halloween. I heard something. Oh, my hair. What is it? I forget. Oh yeah, so I have like orange colored slime, and I'm gonna put some black like things in it. It's just gonna look. Hopefully, it's gonna look cool. So, also, I don't have my tablecloth on because right now it's drying outside. I was washing it yesterday, and I left it out overnight, didn't dry it, and then it started raining. It's not raining now, but it did start raining, so it got even more wet, so I gotta wait now for this to be done. And I can't post, like, I've been trying to post on my sister tag video I did with my sister, but it will not seem to upload, so I'm doing another slime video today. Hopefully, maybe I'll redo the sister tag video, and hopefully it will upload tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's get right into the video. So I have a new spatula thing. I got a couple of new things that are over there in my bin. Yeah, because my mom had nothing to use them with. So, I got new white glue also again today. I got 3 bottles of this at Walmart. Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag I don't know. Okay. So let's just pour you in. Let's put the camera down. Oh my gosh, you can like see my face, like right there. Right there, you can see my face. I hate when I use all the glue, because then I feel like I have no more glue left, and then there's really like a bunch left in the bottle, so I'm trying to get it all out today. I'm fitting it in 8 ounce, because I ran out of 4 ounces, and I only have 2 ounces in this. Definitely will not fit in 2 ounce. Okay, I think that's all I can get out. Now, okay, so, oh man. So, next up we're going to add the coloring. So we have tangerine orange color. A few drops because we're going to add okay, that was not a few. Because we're going to add a bunch of like ingredient things to it. So we're going to add a few drops. Let's mix that. I already started mixing. Ooh, this is like a nice color. That is kind of tangerine colorish. It kind of looks like a mango. Maybe, kind of. I don't know. Speaking of mangoes, well, is mango a tropical fruit? I don't know. But, I don't know if I mentioned this to you, but I can't find my orange scent. So, the closest I can get to orange right now, that might smell like it, is tropical fruit. So, we're just going to use this for now. So, we're going to put in a few drops. There we go. That was not a few. And then before we get all the like scent in, I'm going to use, as always, Suave Advanced Therapy. But the bottles look different a lot because I use a bunch of different bottles. And we're going to put you like all the way over here. Just a few squirts. We just want to get this soft. And then we have some shaving cream. It's like literally empty. I just want to get this a bit fluffy. Not too fluffy, just a bit fluffy. And then let's just mix all those ingredients together. And I feel like this is going to be a thin slime because of the shaving cream. And this spatula is like really nice. It's like cleaning up the bowl really well. I think I gotta add a bit more tangerine color. Oh yes, this is looking like a pumpkin. Oh, maybe I'll call this pumpkin twist slime. Because you'll see what's going on. Okay. Now that we have that, we're going to add some iridescent glitter. So here we are. And then I'm going to add some silver glitter because I thought it would just have a nice Halloween touch kind of to it. And make it look really pretty. Pretty Halloween slime. Yeah, that looks really nice. You can't really see the iridescent. Like that's like kind of its thing. But it looks sparkly in there. So, I added scent, blah, blah, blah. I guess next I'm gonna add some core instead. Well, I don't want to activate that yet. I'm gonna add my instant snow. Oh, and I refilled my container with instant snow because I thought I would need a lot for this video. So I'm gonna try to make kind of like an icy slime. But I don't know how that's gonna turn out. I'll be right back. I got a spoon. And I'm just gonna like a bit at a time. Hopefully none of my 4 pets will come back here. I'm just gonna add a scooping at a time, see what happens. Since we didn't activate it yet, I don't care if it gets melted or not. Now I'm gonna add 2 scoops. This is kind of getting a weird texture. It's actually kind of looking really cool. Ooh. Now we're gonna add 3 scoops. Ooh, 6 scoops. It's been 6 scoops, and let's see how this is turning out. Okay, this actually looks like I added too much to this. Adding too many ingredients into a Halloween slime video. Nice. You can hold a bit more. I'm not even doing adding too many ingredients in the slime video. Why am I even like saying this? Okay, that's all I'm gonna add. Even if it can take more, that's all I'm gonna add because you know we don't want to make this into an adding too many ingredients in the slime video, right? Yeah. Did get Hoda, like if you saw that Justin Riara video on the Instant Snow made her slime Hoda. Oh wait, was that her? I don't know. I watch a lot of slime. I can't keep track. Take my spoon. It's literally like already activated. And I didn't add any activator into this. And it actually has a nice texture. Oh my gosh. Oh, so I just ordered 2 Slime Shop slimes yesterday, and one of them is already shipping. And it's either coming from Dallas or Wisconsin. One's ordered from Dallas, one's ordered from Wisconsin, but one of them's already shipping here. So I'm not sure which one's gonna come first. So yeah, the glitter got stuck to me. Oh man, stick my shirt. Okay, so next we are going to add some googly eyes. I have some googly eyes right here. I thought it would make it more Halloweenish. I wanted to find a fake spider to make like a charm on top, but it kind of turned hit me because they barely moved. So just get you out, and let's just like mix you in there a bit. It's just fun having googly eyes and slime. Okay. Now we're gonna add the foam. Wait a minute. I think we gotta add a bit more shaving foam. Because I don't think this is sticky enough to put the foam beads in. We gotta get this off, like not in chunks like this. It's literally already activated. And Insta is supposed to melt slime, so I don't even get how this is possible right now. Like, look, do you see this? So they're already like activated. It feels nice. It has like a good texture. So now I'm just gonna open the foam beads, trying not to spill them. Because I filled this to the rim, dude. That was way too much for this slime. That's a fact. Jack Avery. Oh, we gotta get in with my hands, dude. First of all, this is sticking to the spatula. Come on. This is just gonna activate like right then now. These are some big foam balls. You know what we're gonna do? This isn't activated, but the foam beads keep falling out. And they're on my hands, and I can't get them off. So we're just going to, like, take a shaving cream and go on a shaving cream shopping spree. What I mean by that is just spend all the shaving cream. Because I want to get this more loose and stickier. Now, I will be right back, but to you guys, for me, it will take like 1 to 2 minutes. For you guys, it will be like 1 to 2 seconds. Ready? And guys, so I'm back. See, I told you that was taking. My hands are clean. So I'm going to tell this how I do shout outs. So today's shout out will go to my slime I made yesterday. So let's see this slime. It was apple slime. Oh man, it's sticky. And that's all I'm going to say about it, because we're running out of time. Okay, so now we're going to mix this bit with the spatula. We're going to try and form it all together. So now we're going to add some contact lens solution. Just a bit, because I know sometimes contact solution makes it too oily. I know some people might disagree with that, but happens to me. Okay, this is starting to turn out to be slime. So now I just wanted to add a bit of contact solution, but now I'm actually going to add my activator, borax, usually known as borax. We're just going to get in there with my hands. I bought a towel so I could get in with my hands. And literally all the instant snow has literally, like, you can't even feel it. This is already good enough to get on the table. This is a great slime so far. I hate when the foam beads just stick to you. Get away from me. So here is a miniature of the slime. Still a bit sticky, as you can see. So we're just going to add a bit more view activator. And I have two different types of squeeze bottles. The one has a triangle right there, is fast. And I did not want to have the fast one, but I used the slow one yesterday. All of it. And I forget where I put my borax, like my laundry detergent and borax on my activator. And I do have magic liquid. As you can see, I do have contact solution. So I could just use those, but I choose not to, so I had to use this one instead of me being lazy. I'm just using the fast bottle instead of going to refill my other bottle up. Okay, it's still a bit sticky, but luckily we're still adding things. So next up we have a cornstarch. Oh, I don't think this is gonna fit an 8 ounce. Darn it. Move you up, move you to the side. Luckily I have more containers right next to me. Comment down below if you hate it when cornstarch like gets into the air, rises into the air, and then you get into your mouth because you're talking, like you open your mouth to say like whoa. That's exactly what will happen. This is somehow for some reason getting stickier, but you know, I don't care about that. It was just because I haven't picked it up yet. And it really was sticky from the beginning, and I'm almost out of time, so I better hurry this up. Got one of these 12 ounce containers, so yeah.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on the post notifications.
I don't get it why I have this thing while adding in foam balls to instant snow. I don't know why I did that, but I just like it. So now I have some of these little thingies. I don't know if they'll mix in, but I still want to try. The black. So far they're doing pretty well. Okay, let's add the next one. And then the last one. So here's my slime now that I mixed in the black things. And I like it because they're just like chunks with those little black things. And it looks really, really nice. So lastly, I have some, as you can see, eyeshadow. And I have an eyeshadow brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the black, which is right there. And now I'm going to take the purple. I'm just going to take some and I'm going to put it onto the slime. I have to chunk it up a bit real quick. That. And then take some and put it onto the slime. And maybe I'll get like a black pigment type color. Got this for my birthday, and my friends are actually watching this video, so please don't get mad at me. And you know who you are, friends, neighbors, cousins. Time to mix. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's gonna give like a little like smoky vibe to it. Okay, so here is my final product. It has like a little you could see like a little black to it. That's from the eyeshadow, which it looks really cool. And oh, here's a googly eye. So thank you all so much. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm still filming. And sorry. And thank you much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn on those post notifications after you subscribe. So I hope this uploads. If not, I will try to edit some of it out, like the I don't know. I'm just wasting time here. So thank you all so much for watching. Bye. Wow. I have no clue what that was. I'm so sorry. I gotta stop the camera myself. So yeah, bye.